Hey friends, it's Carolina Moore with alwaysexpectmore.com, and I am doing an unboxing of the Sew Sampler box. This is the box from the Fat Quarter Shop. It is a monthly subscription. It is currently on wait list, so if you want to get on the list to hopefully get a future Sew Sampler box, you're gonna go down to the description in this video and click on the link in order to sign up. So this Sew Sampler box, as you can see, my postal workers may have smushed this just a little bit, but I'm confident that what's inside is still just perfect. So as I open it up, how cute is this packaging? Fat Quarter Shop really does themselves so cute. Iron, thimble, button, all kinds of fun sewing notions. And then you open it up to still have a little bit of mystery inside, as it says this is the Sew Sampler, handpicked for you, June 2020 box. So I just lift this right up and I get to see what's inside. So here is my little booklet, and it talks about what's inside. The greatest hits quilt, the macarons storage containers, the spot on dot, which if you know me, and we'll get to this in a minute, that is why I'm so psyched about this box here, and just all the things in this box, and we're gonna go through those. So right on top, I see these Fiskars rotary cutting blades. This looks like just a fresh blade in here, which is awesome because changing out your rotary blade is so important, and it's just good to have the extra blades on hand. So this will totally come in handy, and I'll absolutely be using this. There is this cute little macaron, a sweet storage solution, and I'm gonna open this up because it is stinking adorable. And I thought it was a tape measure, but oh no, it's a cute little storage container. How cute is that? So this is great for a thimble, some pins, maybe a bobbin full of threads. This is great to pop in for English paper piecing, I would say. And it's made out of like a silicone rubbery. How cute is that? That is just adorable. Okay, then we've got some fabric here. Looks like a Fat Quarter bundle of 5 different fabrics, and it looks like those fabrics are meant to go with this down here in the bottom, the Orange You Glad quilt pattern with a bonus size option included. So there is a pattern here for a throw or a lap version of this fun citrusy quilt. How cute. I think they could kind of be pumpkins too if you really wanted. But looks like it's meant to be a orange or citrus quilt, which is super cute. And as a San Diego girl with an orange tree in my backyard, I think this is so fun. All right, I'm gonna set this aside for a second because we're gonna talk about that at the end. I love to save the best for last. Looks like there is a block here for a block of the month. And then we've got this here. So this is the spot on dot, and if you are new around here, I'll tell you this spot on dot is my invention. It actually will say right here on the box, designed by Carolina Moore, and what it is an adhesive magnifying lens. And the way it works is you can take any quilting ruler. So for example, this is the 4-inch curvy log cabin trim tool, and if you wanted to be able to see any of these lines better, you just take out your spot on dot and you suction it right to the ruler, and it sticks right to the ruler exactly where you need it to be able to see those lines, and then it peels right off when you're done. So it magnifies so that you can see the lines on your ruler, and you can know that you're lining up your fabric exactly where you need it, and it makes for more accurate cuts. So this is the single dot, and it is an exclusive to the Fat Quarter Shop box. So the only place that you can find it right now would be in your June 2020 Sew Sampler box from the Fat Quarter Shop. So there you go. There's the unboxing of the Sew Sampler box from the Fat Quarter Shop. So much cute goodness in here. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you saw it. And as always, make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that you get all of my fun crafting and quilting updates. Thanks so much for watching, friends, and I will see you soon.